Hello everyone, my name is Melissa Mohammed and I'll be sharing with you today my encounter with paint assignment with charcoal, paint, and clay. I'm basically doing mine on the Chinese paint where it disappears onto translucent paper. Making artwork and strokes, lines, and shapes and objects on the translucent paper and spreading the paint around. Help me to project the shapes well for a period of time, 33 to 4 seconds. The strokes of the water paint or objects or sharp objects would disappear and disintegrate on the fresh and would produce a fresh sheet of paper again. I enjoy this because I never seen this kind of paint before, and it was interesting how it disappeared, and it was kind of exciting. So also in my assignment for the material encounter, video reflection, paint, clay, and charcoal, how did the material respond to me? Well, it looked very interesting and different than the other paint or clay which I've used in my childhood in class. I used it before. I used charcoal and the paint before in my childhood class, and I was eager to try it out and see how it works. What is important in this encounter with the material is that it was interesting and I'm willing to go ahead with the activity to try it. I could maybe spend some other time to work on paint of the other materials, and this texture was very thin, and it wasn't really sure what happened when I used the materials. I noticed it disappeared. I was very surprised. It was interesting to know how the paper and the materials could redo your design and artwork and shapes and objects over and over again. Thank you. So as stated, as children's arts on the recording on paintings with an encounter and artwork and encounters, children's art is the process of exploration and not the product. We need to see that the materials that they are using, they use their head and they produce what is in their heart and mind about the world and the world around you. We can also learn from children and the things that they paint and show that you can do. Pay attention to the children and the way that they see the world so we can also learn as well.